Hello, I'm Joe Hren. Hundreds of Indiana residents are fighting to expand Medicaid in the state of Indiana. They rallied at the State House today as lawmakers return for Organization Day.
Medicaid advocates say more than 400,000 Hoosiers stand to benefit from expanding the federal program in Indiana. David Sklar with the Cover Indiana campaign says his group is in favor of any plan that is going to cover all Indiana residents who make too much money to qualify for Medicaid, but not enough to qualify for the Affordable Care Act health exchanges.
If the state doesn't push this conversation forward, we're going to have 400,000 Hoosiers that won't have access to health care coverage come January 1st.
Meanwhile, Governor Mike Pence's office released a letter today requesting to meet with Secretary of Health and Human Services Kathleen Sebelius about extending the Healthy Indiana plan. The current extension is set to expire on December 31st. For WTIU News, I'm Taylor Killow.
And the National Weather Service has confirmed 26 tornadoes touched down in the state this weekend, making Sunday the second most active tornado day in state history. 2 tornadoes touched down in the Kokomo area. Both were categorized as EF2, meaning their speeds reached a maximum of 135 miles per hour. In the southwestern part of the state, 2 tornadoes hit the Washington area. National Weather Service meteorologist Michael Cook says one of them traveled nearly 20 miles. Cook says the warm temperature combined with the high dew point likely contributed to how far the tornado traveled. There was a weaker tornado that just hit north of Bedford. It was categorized as an EF1. Now checking the weather forecast for tonight, mostly clear with lows in the mid-20s. Tomorrow, partly cloudy, a slight chance of rain in the evening, highs in the lower 50s. And then in the 5-day forecast on Thursday, more rain, highs up to 55 degrees. For WTIU News, I'm Joe Hren.